I'm not going last.
Yeah.
I'll go last.
Really?
Thank you.
Thanks.
I'll always go last. I don't care.
Justin's like, no.
Oh, I don't mind.
I don't go first, I don't go last.
Yeah, that's my rule too.
Yep.
What's the rule?
Don't go first, don't go last.
Still out. I'll either go first or last. I can care less.
I know that's right.
Like I said the one day, I like being the bait.
I can appreciate that.
I'm a master at it.
You're a masturbator.
Or say anything.
I try every time I walk through.
No.
Every time I walk through, I say something. Please, you could, all that.
If you could just leave us a note.
Every time. As soon as I'm at the top is, look to your right, you see that freaking dog. Creepy.
Oh my god.
Here's that.
Oh, so there's something.
Yeah, look, check it.
Yeah, there's a record player in
She did
there.
something for- Yeah, she said some dude tried to buy it.
Oh, it actually works.
Hold on, I want to see if I can actually.
You gotta put the thing under
I don't like that doll behind us. It's creepy as fuck.
No kidding.
When music starts playing, everyone's
Being quiet and all of a sudden that shit plays by itself?
How about our job to going?
That's not.
Oh,
Look at the stereo
it.
going.
That's all we heard.
They
That,
would go.
No.
The oxygen. The little girl.
That stereo was the most fantastic thing I ever done.
Go ahead, you tell her, man.
Oh yeah, that was all you. You're gonna tell the story?
Oh, the video's on our Facebook.
Yeah, no, it was amazing.
Oh, where are we going?
I want to look back there again. That's that fucking skeleton.
That skeleton's creepy.
That's all.
oh right, I forgot about the medical room.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, like we haven't done none of this.
I think we should kill the fan just for noise pollution.
I agree. Yeah,
I
that's a
keep,
lot of
when I was in here, keep looking through this. This is that trap door.
Yep. Oh, there's one right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is Maurice Chin. This is from 2002.
It's a booty.
Booty? I don't know, whenever I was walking by, I just felt like something was looking at us weird, like from outside, like looking. I didn't see anything, but that's what I feel.
There's no way. There's nothing up there.
No, I mean like from down looking up.
Oh. That's weird. Well, she did say she thought she saw something
Earlier, yeah. That's why I was like,
It's not unheard of.
shower.
This big ass gutter now.
Ooh, I Carol's very same cabinet.
Yeah, that'd be looking thing.
It is. I see what you said when you said look to the right, I look to the right. I said, yeah, you fucking right.
Oh yeah. That's weird. I think this is the room I heard that shuffling from.
Oh yeah. Where?
Sounds like it's weird. I heard it from. Whoever it was just trying to get away.
Look at that motorcycle picture. It's like a picture of me. In my dreams. I got the brown Harley Davidsons and the leather jacket and the hair. I just don't got the bike. But for the most part, there.
go way out on Wednesday, you aren't going either.
I have a big old truck.
I got a big old junk in the trunk. Can't spank it, there's a door in the way.
Ow.
You turn it on?
You ready?
Just get abused.
Girls, I don't even know.
Sit on my potty.
Okay.
You get scared, this is there.
That's for my computer making a noise. Oh.
Was this actually a medical room?
I have no
I
idea.
don't remember her saying.
I don't know what she.
Oh,
I know
do
she
you
said
remember?
she bought this somewhere.
She said she bought that somewhere.
Yeah. You say
Maybe the kitchen will
makes
Oh,
sense.
okay. I see
Well,
what
it was a
you're saying.
kitchen when it was an apartment, but I don't know what it was when it was a sanatorium.
Does it say hi?
Hey.
Hi.
Oh,
Can you
yeah,
tell
dude,
us
it
your
doesn't
name?
hardly behind your shadow.
Did it say Gordon?
I don't know. That was. I can see where you said that. This is the one that moved the furniture. Did you move all the furniture in here? That was scary.
Trying to go live again.
Who was the one that moved all the furniture?
I just could not imagine coming home and like the fucking recliner, the sofa,
Yeah.
coffee tables. Are moved. Like, holy shit, it made you feel like you're robbed.
Hear me walk around. Tis I keep getting like a weird feeling whenever I look down the hallway towards here. Were you flipping me off? I didn't get it. Just, yeah.
Did you just say tears? Why are you sad?
Anyone watching my live, we're on the third floor of Wildwood sanatorium.
It's me.
Something was scurrying on it.
So anyone watching the live, when we did the tour earlier, they said that this is the third floor apartment. The tenants complained that they were finding their furniture here being checked all the time. They would come home and
Is that true? Did y'all really do that? This is what you're. How many people do you see walking in the hallway?
Is it one?
people, how many souls are on this top floor?
Anyway, that's awesome. I think we're gonna have a great time when you come here in January.
I keep tripping myself out because he's so tall, and the hat on the skeleton like is like the shadow perfectly on your head.
Oh, I see what
You see it?
Yeah.
So every time he moves, the hat stands still. It trips me up. You should show the people this, the X-ray machine.
Oh, okay, yeah, turn it on. She has an X-ray machine up here. That's why it's right on it.
Bye.
Oh yeah?
Huh?
It's only the rest of that one.
Like how small?
Well, I mean,
For anyone who's
Huh?
wondering what,
Yeah, I like
we're using,
that.
Yeah.
we have
Everything's
plasma
small.
bottles.
Oh my.
And I have it hooked up to my
Right.
handheld.
it's not like that. I
Just
mean,
kind of,
Yeah. Yeah.
not necessarily to
It's
cut
not
out the
like that.
noise like you would have with SP7, but more so just to
Yeah.
amplify the plasma bottles more, so it sounds louder.
What are you doing now?
doesn't matter. I'm in here just trying to feel the room out.
Yeah, it's like I get a weird feeling.
I'm okay.
Can you tell me your name?
I don't know if I could.
This one.
Yeah.
Give me a name of someone here.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what this floor was used for?
Hello. Babe, was this the room you said you heard the shuffling in?
Yeah.
Because before Angel came out from where the medical room is, I heard shuffling in here.
It sounded like whatever.
It sounds like how I walk.
It sounded like whenever I came out, something was showing up.
It's, huh?
It sounded like something was showing up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because before Angel came out of the medical room, I heard it. Like right behind me.
I have my phone.
Huh?
I have one of your red balls.
You do?
He's in there.
I just kind of just threw it in the bag.
Yeah, you're the man. No, no, you're good.
Oh, excuse me.
Safety word.
Pineapples.
That was me. I don't remember what she said this was originally used for with her partner. Really?
Can you tell us what this room was used for?
Really, this one. saying like being scared when you come up here, right? And then the next time you come up here, you feel like it's kind of comfortable, and then when when you're talking about like how comfortable you finally are, that window explodes.
Yeah, that's insane. But like there could have been anything.
Yeah, I mean,
You know what I mean?
really,
Like
yeah.
logically, a bird could have flown into it or something.
It's just yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, would it still scare the shit out of me? Absolutely.
Spirits, was that you that shattered the window up here? Did you shatter the window? What made the window break up here?
Because the heat.
Because of what?
I thought it was because the heat. That's weird. That's what I thought. That's what was in my head.
Spirits, are you saying that it was the heat that caused the window to break?
Billy.
It is. Wow, so they're saying things in it very good.
That's exactly what Angela said. She's like, you know, it really could have been anything too.
It could have just been bad timing. That
Yeah,
he knew that,
coincidence.
saying that coincidence that it was
Would it still scare me? Yes.
Oh,
But
yeah.
like, I don't think that was
So
paranormal.
jump to the paranormal, I guess.
Yeah.
So, 100%.
Did something move on the floor over here?
That was me.
Oh, okay. I heard a noise and I saw him looking. I was like, oh, did you hear that? I don't know what, but I'm feeling like Estes should be done up here.
That'd be cool.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be cool. That'd be wild.
That's one thing we haven't done yet. So yeah, I think that would be a great idea.
Yeah.
That's where it comes out of.
Oh, really?
Hold on.
Spirits, can you tell me what you did up here, please? Just lay down.
Oh.
Just
Okay.
lay down.
Yeah.
Just lay down.
Did they keep you up here when it was for tuberculosis? What do you think here?
Something about a baby.
That's
Baby
okay.
come.
Okay, that's funny. So I did hear something.
What about the baby? Did you hear what I said? Can you repeat that again? What about the baby? Can you repeat that again? What about the baby?
Just love that it like is delayed by like 2 seconds.
Yelled that.
No.
That was a weird noise.
Sure was.
Mm-hmm.
It's like they said something about mommy.
What did it say?
About like what the
Hear
word
it again?
said something about mommy.
Mommy.
Yeah, I heard that.
In a tiny voice.
The last thing.
I missed the last one.
It said term something.
Term pregnancy?
That's what I'm wondering if it was referring to, like terminate
You think so?
or last term or something.
Well, apparently it wanted me
That's
to
what I'm
turn it on
wondering if
too.
it was referring to, like terminate.
Apparently it wanted me to turn mine on too.
You were pregnant when she lose your baby?
Did somebody lose a baby up here? Say that's right.
The two syllables. If you did, what year was it?
Nothing, any weird feeling over here.
Mm-mm.
I'm not sure where he's going.
Yeah, okay, I thought so.
That's us.
It's just me.
Yeah.
Amy Angelina.
What color did you see me set off in that room? Can you tell me?
What are we expecting?
I didn't even be picking my nose.
Hmm?
You're fitting me picking my nose.
I wasn't even paying attention to what you're doing.
I can't put that on fucking video.
I don't even think I really got you in the frame.
Are there any doctors or nurses up here?
this way.
Put my hand right in there. Just do it. If you're there and you can see us, can you tell us how many people are in this room right now?
Maybe we should just shut it off and sit and listen. What do you think?
We can absolutely.
No, it's creeping me out.
Here is an investigation.
Did it?
Yeah.
No way.
Is that what we're doing? We're doing an investigation?
You want to set up all spread out down this hallway?
I'll go back in that bedroom. I heard you shuffling in.
Yeah, that's cool. We can set up shift this up here. Let me grab my bag. What's up, you good?
I'm gonna go back in this one bedroom.
Okay. Big. Nothing wrong. Got some stuff on the plasma box. Hopefully we can.
It's creepy as hell.
You guys want to see this creepy doll?
Here, you can get a light so you can see a little better.
Look at
It's
that
creepy
doll.
as hell.
Nice.
I'm like waiting for its head to move and be like, nope, out, see ya. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out, Settings.
Got a ring on.
Yeah,
I got stuff.
showing everyone the creepy doll.
Might be a little MVP, like just listen.
Yeah,
Just listen on it and not
that's cool. That'd be great.
just set the cameras down and let it roll.
Can we go there? Yeah.
Probably me. Just don't look in my general direction. As you look.
Oh. Yeah. There's a REM pod there.
I got a millimeter here.
Keep the phone with me because that way if I hear something, I'm not wrong with it, you know what I mean?
And then you got the millimeter?
I got a millimeter. I got a REM pod up here still.
Kitty ball.
And the REM pod. Where do you want to put it?
Is that you setting that off?
Probably.
Yeah.
REM pod there. And go there. You got this, you got the crystal.
That's not setting nothing off because these floors are pretty easy to squeak.
Squeak, squeak.
Grab that and make sure it works. Okay. Okay.
I want something to go off so that.
Are you going to bed?
Good night.
Oh, good night. That's why I came out to the doorway so I can see.
So if anyone watching, we've got a REM pod here. We've got good light here, camera here.
Cat balls.
Cat balls.
Stuff.
REM pod in here.
She's walking
and then
down
what do you have in here?
the hall.
too?
A cat on top of that
On
table.
top of the exam table.
You know what? Put that one right there on the turn sticking on that.
What?
So take that cap ball right there and put it right there in the big step. Like right where it turns.
Huh?
Down
Oh, like down the
yeah,
steps.
down like two steps or so.
It's like 5, but yeah.
Yeah, just throw on that bit on the
So bad
landing.
one, middle of the grid.
Oh, God. I'm gonna set this off.
Coming up like that.
Yeah. Stay. That's me. It didn't go off when I went down the steps, but it came off coming up.
No one's near it.
That was me. Oh, shit. So I saw a shadow on the bed here.
No one's neither.
You never know by itself.
It went off by itself.
If that was you, can you make that light go off again? Turn it all those colors, please. Come on, can you show us how you did it? Make it go off?
Did you move your foot when it went off? No? Okay. You felt a cold breeze though? Okay.
He felt a cold breeze?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Windows are open, a lot of them.
Yeah, but not in there. Well, there's a fan in there, so yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
There's possible.
Oh, it came from this way? Oh, okay.
So just that. And the air's stagnant in this room.
Mm-hmm.
She said she was a hairdresser, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you not like the hairdresser that was here? Is that why y'all were known to move her furniture? If you're in any of these rooms, we put something in them. And you could touch them and make them go off.
Or somebody do that. They fart. Okay, I'm listening to live EVP and it sounds like a knocking noise. And I saw you guys laughing. I'm like, let me guess, Jim fart.
Exactly that.
For the recorder, that was just Jim's butthole.
His sphincter.
My sphincter.
Your sphincter
You
noise.
gotta be proper. Professional. Osteoporosis ostrich.
Osteoporosis.
Oh boy.
Spirits, we invite you to come upstairs and come talk with us.
It almost, in the recorder, it sounds like heavy breathing. I heard like in the recorder. So I'm gonna mark that to go back and listen to that.
Yeah, she had headphones on.
It makes me, every time I come to places like this and then I hear about like anything with breathing and then it has to do with like tuberculosis, automatically
Yeah.
in my head I go there.
That's exactly what I was thinking too.
Can you knock or make a noise for us, please?
If you are downstairs, can you come upstairs to talk to us?
I got a random question. Spirits, could you tell us what you did today? What did you have for dinner? Did you read any good books?
Is that weird?
Where's that even coming from?
Is there like a car or something going by?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, it's not. That's the one.
Is it a oh, it's her camera.
Oh, okay.
Wait, you thought you saw a shadow?
Light.
There was a green light that was like directed on my leg, but it's
Oh.
bouncing off of her phone onto my leg.
Oh, nice. Is there something you want to say to us? It is dead quiet.
I know.
Like silent.
Other than that deep breathing, I'm really not
Not
captured
anything?
anything.
You hear anything? Spirits, can you knock in one of these rooms? Why don't you go and touch or shake the bed? I can't really even hear like the crickets outside.
I hear a car go by every so often, that's about it.
Really? Got like a little bit of anxiety. Like, what if the damn door closed downstairs right now or something?
Mm-hmm.
Like an anticipation.
It's weird that you said that because I was starting to feel like I was having anxiety. Not about anything in particular, just general anxiety.
Like I'm anxious.
Like I don't know if something's like building up.
That's funny. I think someone said that downstairs. They're like just like getting ready for it.
Did somebody cough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Jesus.
My son whispered, "We're gonna die."
That's perfect.
You have to hear how it sounded on the recorder. It sounded like you were literally dying.
Oh, okay.
On the recorder, I just heard like. It's so much louder. It's like, is somebody fighting for their life? Troy commented, "Don't get scared. I would be scared." Troy, I don't think that I'm scared. The feeling that I have is just like an anxious feeling, like something's going to happen, like anticipation of something.
Bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you. The ghosts need to learn manners. I was hoping for a bless you from them, but I guess not.
That's cool. Are there any spirits from downstairs that followed us up here?
Spirits, if I make a knocking noise, can you finish this for me? I'm gonna try it again. Getting that feeling of like heaviness on my chest.
Mhm.
Weird.
Spirit, can you do something with this green light in the hallway? Can you make it go darker or walk in front of it? What was that? Did you hear that? Like the...
I did. I thought it was somebody moving.
Hmm.
Nobody moved.
Was it one of y'all that
No.
did that?
Nope.
I definitely got it on the recorder.
You heard that?
I heard it loud through here. I thought somebody moved. I thought you moved or somebody else moved.
I looked to the left. I thought it was someone left.
I'll have to play that back.
That might have been me. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it was.
That's
It was
exactly
my
what it
foot.
sounds like to me.
trying to have that last pizza. That table was bought here in that room. Can you go over there and sit down on it? If you touch that ball, it'll light up red and blue, real bright, real pretty. Why don't you go sit down next to it? Can you go into the room where the window was broken? You know what just hit me? Didn't you say when we walked outside, someone heard piano notes?
Yeah,
Mhm.
I heard piano music.
Yeah.
Was it the, it wasn't obviously the one in the room, right? Because that thing didn't work when we
That's
played
an
it.
organ.
It's an organ.
It's a different sound.
Yeah.
But no, it doesn't work.
Yeah, no, it doesn't work at all.
Is that what those things are called? Like them church organs?
Church organs, yeah,
Mhm.
that would sound like a church organ. Have a different
That's
sound.
crazy. There was an old werewolf movie called Silver Bullet.
Oh my god.
You remember that? And one of the scenes, the werewolf is playing the organ. And I just remember that music. It was such like it could be such a scary, timid sound to it.
It does.
You know what I'm saying?
Especially if you're ever in like a really big church that
The
has
echo,
like, the
acoustic.
pipes that go like the height
Mhm.
of the church.
Oh really?
It's like super creepy. Yeah.
That shit's real?
Yeah, oh yeah, hell
It's
yeah.
not just in Disney?
It's mostly
It's
like
not just in Disney.
no, it's like a lot of Catholic churches have them.
Yeah, the cathedral in Altoona has it.
Yep.
My dad's side of the family, they helped donate it.
Oh wow.
They had to like bring it in on trains and shit. The pipes are that big.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You'll see the pipes that'll go like from the organ all the way up to the ceiling.
Yeah.
And like big, like tall churches.
Really?
Mhm.
That's
Yeah.
wild. Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Yeah. That shit's really
Yeah, that kind of stuff. Yeah.
Alright, for anyone watching our live stream, I think I'm gonna end this. Not really getting a whole lot going on right now. Not sure if we're gonna go live again tonight or not. I guess we're gonna kind of play it by ear. And see how the activity is. Keep your notifications on, that way if we do go live, you get notified that we go live. If not, all our videos we post are able to be viewed on playback. You could always watch it tomorrow. So hopefully we'll go live again, but if not, have a good night. We will be going live tomorrow from Hinsdale House. We'll post the time tomorrow and let you know what time we'll be going live. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
What is that?
Him in here. Playing with his flashlight.
Is that what that shaking was?
No, he's in here twisting it, making squeaky noises.
Oh. My glutinous hamburger meats are burning right now. I'm gonna stand there. Is anyone down there?
Wouldn't you shit if somebody said, yep?
I would shit. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'd be like, alright guys, we're gonna go into the buddy system. Survival mode.
Do you have your exit, buddy?
Yeah.
Ashley and I are like, our exits are out the window.
See ya.
I think you said something earlier had me laughing my ass off, Ashley. Oh, the doll. When the doll, she
Shut
was like,
out.
you said your ass would be right out the window.
Right out the window, ladder and all, taking it with me.
The woman even left. What? Did you say my name?
Yes, I was marking it for the recorder because you bumped the door and it sounded so loud in my headset.
Oh,
So I
I'm
was telling the
sorry.
recorder that was Angel bumping the door.
My bad.
So you're good.